Are you dealing with this kind of noise while you are in bed? Then go to find Kmart near you and pick up Tater McGee's SNORE Buster. It's a little rectangular shaped object filled with cotton, and you just firmly but gently place it over the snorer's nose and mouth, and within minutes all snoring will cease. And it's a good cure because they won't ever snore again. Go to a fine Kmart near you and pick up Tater McGee's SNORE Busters. Hi, I'm Tater McGee, and you're listening to the DJ44 show, the only show that I promote my products on. And it is on DDCT Radio, which is the best radio on the net, which is, of course, why I'm on it. If it has a connection, I'm not sure. Tater McGee being on it, it being the best radio station, it's a little bit too much of a coincidence for me. But you make your own judgment. But I'm here to tell you about my new product. Are you like me? Are you getting up in years, but you still like to check out, a little ass and I guess a little titty if you's a man or a woman that likes that? Not my preference, but if you like to check out a little bit of ass or a little bit of titty or titty and ass, but then sometimes you go and you look at the face and you're like, oh my God, this person must be in 10th or 11th grade. I'm a pedophile and the authorities have been notified. That is why I made my age jar. It's made in the same principle as them gaydars, but, it's for age. You point at the person that you start to find titillating, and it will tell you approximately what age they are by the elasticity of their skin. It has different warning levels. It has green, which is, yeah, it's okay, fantasize about squeezing whatever body part like a ripe orange. Then it's got orange, like, you better keep it at PG-13, because I was just not sure if that's Botox or if they really are 12 years old. And then there's red, like, get out of the area, don't even look at this person, because the authorities have been notified. And pretty soon you're going to be having to go door to door to tell your neighbors that you live there. So go to a fine Kmart near you and pick up Tater McGee's age jar. It will save you lots of time in prison.